This is my Mitsubishi Lancer 1.5 engine. Am asigurat. It is almost safe. Panzer budget tool, but it's okay. This is the oil filter, oil pan, and in this I will put the oil. After 15,000 kilometers. It must be 4.2 liters oil, 5/40. Here seems to be a little bit warm, but not too bad. This is the transmission. The electric motor, that is the starter here. A little bit of rusty here, rust, because on the winter times a lot of salt are on the roads. Here are the electric cassette. No problem at all with this. The AC compressor, it is just here. It was changed. Not so big deal. The oil is okay. It's not so black. I have to stop the video now.